Hello curious minds and eager learners, welcome to the Quick Tech Guidelines. I hope you're doing fine today and you must be very aware of the AI taking over. So today we're going to give an AI a huge test. We have information already and we want to test it with top or leading AI platforms. So let's just not waste time and get to the computer screen. Okay, so I have multiple information over here. I've googled first of all that top AI chatbots. First one, as per Google, first one is Chat GPT. Second one is Google Bard, which is also now called Google Gemini. Number 3 is Jasper Chat. Number 4 is Microsoft's Copilot, and number 5 is Perplexity. So I'm going to compare these top 5. So in one window I have already opened the Chat GPT 3.5, and second one is Google Gemini, and in third window I have Perplexity. So in next window I have Jasper, and in another window I have already opened Microsoft's Copilot. Alright, so let's just give one query to all of these and see that how accurate their answers are and how much they are updated and how reliable they are. I have another option over here. For example, I went to the Apple's iPhone 15 Pro's website and I'm going to ask that this information. For example, I'll ask that advanced dual camera system is how many megapixel in iPhone 15 Pro. So let me go to first. This will be discarded because I have already explored all these websites and Jasper is not letting me use their chat interface without signing up. So this has already disqualified. I'm going to close this window. And then first one I'll go with Microsoft's Copilot. Please tell me the iPhone 15 Pro camera in megapixels. Alright, it's responding. Okay, perfect. iPhone 15 Pro. Alright, let's just wait for him to finish this query, then we'll move on to the next. Alright, this one was the main query. Perfect. Very detailed answer. Alright, let's just wait for more minute. That's great. Make it shorter and tell me in one line. Perfect, certainly. The iPhone 15 Pro camera boasts 48 megapixel main sensor, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max features the same setup with a 5x telephoto lens. Alright, let's go. Perfect. This is correct. This is also correct. So let's move on to Google's Gemini. Please tell me the iPhone 15 Pro camera in megapixels. Alright, it's generating the results. Okay, very quick and very precise. The iPhone 15 Pro main camera has sensor with 48 megapixel. It also has 2 telephoto lenses, but these have 12 megapixel sensors. I'll go and validate if it's correct or not. Alright. To some extent I'll consider it correct because main query is okay. Now is the time for Chat GPT to answer this. Alright. So Chat GPT free version, same old excuse that I have last update of Jan 2022. So basically it also disqualified. And next one is Perplexity. So I'm going to ask the Perplexity about the same query. Let's see how much time it takes, and how much information it generates, and how easy it is for me to understand. Alright, it says the iPhone 15 Pro features a 48 megapixel main camera with the 24mm lens and an XYZ aperture spotted by XYZ blah blah blah. Alright, very good. I personally like this because it let me use this interface without doing any signups or any other stuff. However, ChatGPT was already signed in. Google Bard or Gemini asked me to sign in, which I've already signed in, and Copilot also didn't ask me for this to sign in thing. So I prefer Microsoft's Copilot as far as login stuff is concerned, and Perplexity for the same. Perplexity also told me that which are the sources they have used, and same goes with Gemini. I don't think so. Gemini told me about the sources. Okay, it didn't tell me about the sources. So if I go to the Copilot, it also didn't tell me in the sources. No, it did tell me in the sources. It took more information from the GSM Arena, Tom's Guide, iMore, deepreview.com, and apple.com. And this also gave me the images of the iPhone 15 Pro. It's perfect. So what I'll do right here, as per the concise information, I'll rate the Google Gemini on number 2. Number 2, I'll rate Perplexity as number 1 because very detailed and very good information and very readable format with images of the stuff and all the sources that it's used to collect the data. And I'll rate this Microsoft's Copilot on number 3, and obviously ChatGPT did not qualify for the competition, and another one which I've already discarded, which is Jasper Chat. So technically, as per my current experience, the Perplexity is on top of all, and Google Bard and Gemini is following it, and then Microsoft's Copilot. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments from which part of the world you're watching this video. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, and I do have a lot of videos on Microsoft Excel, you can click over here to see or follow my Microsoft Excel's tutorial videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.